Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to set your active hours in Windows 11 to stop those incredibly annoying random restarts for updates while you're in the middle of a project or a gaming session. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Windows Update. Select Advanced Options. Look for the section labeled Active Hours. Click the drop-down menu next to Adjust Active Hours. By default, it's usually set to Automatically, which lets Windows guess when you're busy. Don't trust this. Switch the drop-down to Manually. Now, set your start time and end time. For a total power user move, set it from your earliest morning start until your latest possible night session, up to 18 hours. Windows will now be strictly prohibited from restarting your device during this window. And that's it. You've finally reclaimed control over your PC's uptime. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.